Hi everyone, Happy Chef here. Happy Chef is my YouTube channel name. It means simply I can help you and show you how to cook. And you can help me, just click the subscribe button. If you do so, it will be nice. In the meantime, you will not miss next my cooking video. HELP stands for Healthy Eating Leads People. I hope you eat healthy, enjoy more delicious food. Thank you for watching my video. So here is my all ingredients for risotto. 1 kilo of risotto, 1 chorizo sausage, some green peas, chopped onion, turmeric, and some saffron, and chopped garlic, a little bit spring onion, and 2 small potatoes, some oyster mushroom. I got some prawn and chopped a little bit rosemary, and some green cardamom leaf. Beautiful smell. So today is all these ingredients here. So let's start cooking. So that is an important step. You can use a serrated steak knife to cut through, devein the prawn. So you can take out the yellow part or black part in the middle. So now start cooking. So I'm going to cook the chorizo first. Onion. Also add a little bit rosemary. So now I add the potato, cook a little bit, pre-cook first, little bit. So now I add the chorizo. Cook a little bit and use light on. So potato chorizo, little bit pre-cooked, not fully cooked. So later I left on the side. So now I going to cook the risotto. Just hit with the pan, heat up a little bit, slowly cook a little bit. So you can see the rice, some got a little color. So just slowly toast. This way cook similar like a Spanish paella. So now you can see the risotto rice color change a little bit. Probably cook until 50%, 50 to 60%. So then add the water or stock. Look beautiful. So the rice is cooked halfway. So now I use a bigger wok. So I add a little bit oil. And toss a little bit. Just keep going a little bit, so make sure the oil go through all single rice. And keep going, cook a little while, probably 1 minute. Fire not too big. So now look beautiful. So now I add saffron and turmeric and keep going, cook a little bit. For the color change to yellow. So keep going. So now you can add the wine, cooking wine. And I add the water. So now I'm going to cook a prawn. Garlic. A little bit salt. So let it cook until water boiled. So in this stage you can add peas, green peas, mushroom, oyster mushroom, still a little bit, add salt, and pepper. white pepper. Let it continue cook a little bit. And so also you can add before pre-cook potato and chorizo, onion, so you can see now. Fire not too big. Just let it slow cook. You can let it slowly cook. Put on the lids on. Also you can, but today I'm going to put it in the oven. So now I add the Parmesan cheese mix. Some more. So I got a cardamom leaf, underneath got the baking paper, just no sticker. So put it in the oven. So now I add the prawn inside. So this way cook similar like a paella. So now I got a two different one. One is with the prawn, one just with the chorizo. So because my son, he has allergy with the prawns, so I not put together, so separate. So if in your family has someone allergy, just make sure they separate properly. So now I cover up with the foil. So there are some hole. Put in the oven 20 minutes. Risotto, beautiful cook. Try a little bit. Very yummy.